My Sub-Zero 36 inches all freezer is making a knocking noise, but it comes and goes. What is this noise?
Hello, my name is XXXXX you for choosing our service. That knocking you hear every now and then is the compressor motor mounting springs. One has become weak, allowing the motor inside the compressor tank to hit the metal housing every now and then. Most times this sound occurs at startup or shutdown, but can occur at any time, kind of a bouncing sound. Most always at startup or shutdown though. Those are the most common times. If you have questions, please ask me. If not, please leave a rating for me. Thanks, Barry.
Is this a problem, and if so, should I have it repaired now or soon? This unit is only 3 years old. I assume this noise will continue or perhaps get worse as time goes on. True.
Wow, that is very young for that type of problem. Does it sound kind of like a metallic tapping? Very.
Barry, it's not a metallic tapping, much more solid. Like someone is knocking on a wood door. We have the panel ready built-in model, if that makes a difference in the sound. I only mention this because the wood panel is solid wood and it's about 3/4 of an inch to 1 inch thick. Timing of the knocks is about every 3 seconds, and they are slow knocks, not a tapping.
Okay, that is not what I thought it was. To add, I am not sure, Paula, what that sound is. I will relist your question for all text to review. As soon as someone can help, they will jump right in here and help you. Thanks, Barry.
Many thanks, Barry. I will await a response. Like I said, it comes and goes. It has been doing it now for about an hour.
Hello. I too think this is a compressor banging on the springs inside the welded unit. The compressor is black, rounded, and weighs about 20 pounds. It is mounted under the refrigerator at the top outside the refrigerator. There will be fan and radiator looking next to it. Put your hand on the compressor and push it hard to one side then the other side, and if you hear a difference, it is a bad compressor spring. That problem will not shorten the life of the compressor as a rule. But of course it can be an irritation. If the unit is under 5 or 10 years old, depending on the warranty that came with your unit, it is under warranty. That noise can be aggravated by a dirty condenser coil that looks like a radiator. If it's fan hitting something, you will be able to notice that as well. The condenser coil needs to be cleaned once a year or so, using a brush and a vacuum cleaner. Let me know what you can find, we can go from there as necessary. Phil.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.